Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about 5 Google tricks that you must know about. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now most of the people use Google just to search for questions and all that, but you can use Google in a more compact way which will save a lot of your time. So I'm going to tell you about some of the tricks which will save your time while searching on Google. So the first trick is about opening links in new tab. Whenever we search something on Google and we try to read from multiple websites, what we usually do is right click on any of the website and then go to open in new tab. And we do this process for all the websites, which is a bit tiring and which takes a lot of time. But there is a simple way in which you can open links in new tab and you can read from multiple websites. To do this thing, what you can do is go to google.com and on the bottom right hand side click on settings and go to search settings. From there you can click on open every link in a new tab and just save the setting. After that, whenever you will search something on Google and when you click on a link, it will automatically open inside a new tab. Interesting, isn't it? The second one is about the number of search results. By default, the number of search results we get after searching something on Google is 10. If you want more than 10 search results, for example 20, 40, 50, 30, etc., then what you can do is you can just simply go to the settings after going to google.com and then go to search settings. From there you can change the number just like this and you can just save the setting, and after that if you search something on Google you will get the number of results as per you have set the setting. The next trick is about your password being used by someone else. If you want to check whether your password has been used by any other people or if your password is cracked or something like that, then what you can do is go to Google and search for have I been pwned. From there you can go to the first website and there you have to put your password in and just click on the search button. It will show you the status of your password, whether it is being cracked or is it totally secure. The next trick is about the language. Basically, when you search on Google, by default it shows you the result in English language. But if you want the results in your native language, for example Hindi, Bengali or any other language, then what you can do is simply go to the settings on the bottom right hand side and then go to the search settings, then go to language and select the language you want and then save the setting. And now when you will search something on Google, it will give you the result in the selected language. Now the final trick is very interesting. Most of the people, I guess, have not noticed there are two options called cached and similar in a drop down menu under all the links. Now these two options are really helpful. If you use the cached option, then it will show you a screenshot of the website. Basically it is used whenever a website server is down. You can click on the cached option and you can see the screenshot of that particular website. And the similar option is also useful whenever you want to get some similar links to a particular website. So if you want some similar link to a particular website, you can just simply click on the similar option and Google will show you some of the similar links. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.